guys, what we're going to do today is we're going to rescreen a couple of specialty screens that we can't order, and we've already removed the screen from the screen frame. We're placing it on the table to block it out so we don't pull the frames inward when we put the solar screen on. So we're hammering our blocks in to make sure that we don't pull the frame in and bend it when we put the solar screen on. Typical items we use are going to be the spline that we're going to use to secure the screen to the frame with. Typically a long screwdriver with a flat head, an awl to remove old screen and spline, and then a spline wheel and roll. So we're going to take our roll of 80% black, we're going to lay it on the screen frame and just roll it out. Solar screen, we're going to place a weight on the back end of the screen because we're going to screen the bottom end first, and then we're going to move to the top to make the screen tight from forward to back. Okay, so we've done the bottom end of our screen. We're going to move to the top end of our screen so that we can make it tight. Okay, so we've done the top and the bottom of the screen frame. We've got the screen tight. So we're going to come back and we're going to do the sides here first, and then we're going to move to the other side to get it all straight and tight. So Jay is rolling the screen into the spline groove so that the spline goes in very smoothly and pulls the screen tight across the screen frame. And you'll notice that because of the blocks, the screen frame did not pull in when we pulled the screen. So that just about completes this job, with the exception of trimming around the edge. Do a little trimming, trim off the excess, and then we'll trim the excess screen around the edges of the frame. So we're going to go ahead and trim the screen off now. With a very sharp razor blade. And that completes a screening job for this one screen. We used 80% black solar made by the Twitchell Corporation. It's Textiline 80 in the color black.